Good morning students, this is your history lesson. Students, as you know that we have done chapter 3, the Indus Valley Civilization successfully. Today we will take a review of this chapter so that you will be able to learn more about this civilization. Let's get started. Important sites of this civilization. Number 1, Harappa was an urban center. It is in Punjab province of Pakistan, located on an old riverbed of River Ravi. Number 2, Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is located in Sindh province of Pakistan, which is next to the river Indus. What are the basic features of Indus Valley civilization? We will read key factors about this civilization. The Indus Valley civilization is the first known urban culture in India. The Indus Valley civilization is the first known urban culture in India. Majority of the sites developed on the banks of river Indus. This civilization is credited for building cities complete with town planning. Building cities complete with town planning, sanitation, drainage system, and broad well-lit roads. They also built double-storied houses of burnt bricks, complete with bathroom, kitchen, and a well. Their walled cities had important buildings such as the Great Bath, granaries, and the assembly halls. Their agriculture was considered major occupation for rural areas, while the city residents were involved in internal and external trade, which led to developed contacts with other civilizations, e.g., Mesopotamia. Harappans were excellent potters, as is evident by their artifacts. Harappans also had technical knowledge of metals and process of alloying, e.g., bronze sculpture of dancing girl found in Mohenjo-daro. Also, shell, ivory, bone, and fines were used as material for different crafts. Harappans used to worship plants, animals, and the forces of nature. They also worshipped male god resembling Lord Shiva of later times and a mother goddess. They also probably believed in life after death and also in charms and spells. Their seals were engraved with animal figures, e.g., humped bull, elephant, and rhinoceros. This suggests that these animals were considered sacred. The image of peepal tree is found depicted on many seals. Harappan script is yet to be deciphered. Hence, our knowledge of Harappan civilization is solely based on archaeological evidence alone. Harappan were the first people to cultivate cotton. They knew the art of spinning and weaving. What happened to the Indus civilization? By 1900 BC, many Indus cities had been abandoned. Historians believe things started to fall apart around 1700 BC. But how did this apparently peaceful, well organized civilization collapse in just 200 years? Looking at the ruins, we can see many changes. The cities became overcrowded, with houses built on top of houses. Important buildings like the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro were built over. Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro were built over. People stopped maintaining the drains and they became blocked. Some traders even hid their valuables under the floors of their homes. Many historians believe the Indus civilization collapsed because of changes to the geography and climate of the area. So students, this is your lesson for today. I hope you have revised this chapter with me. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.